It's time once again for the Sunday morning album. Today it's going to be a band called Freedom. The album is called Freedom at Last. It's from 1969. This guy here, Bobby Harrison, was the drummer for Procol Harum. And he started this band with another guy from Procol Harum that's no longer in this band by the time they released this record. It's an English import. It's a British band. It's pretty cool. They do a Beatles song. Can't beat that. Alright, let me put this on. I'll be right back.
This